Welcome back to another week of winter in Portugal. We are still lurking in the Algarve. We've been up to all sorts of things this week and I'm going to show you what has been going on. First of all, my friend here has spent the week on the beach, as you can see by his sandy nose. But he's been loving it. I have actually used the kayak on the sea, so progress is being made. Have a quick look at this. Not far from where we've been residing, we even found another abandoned building to go and check out. This one was interesting, nothing spooky, nothing eerie about it, very modern and strangely completely abandoned. Doors unlocked, we went straight in. It's a massive place and I can't believe that this could actually happen in such a beautiful location. You can't believe it would happen anywhere. See what you make of this. And here we are back in the Algarve and we are about to go on a bit of an adventure. And we is Ali, who is storming off ahead over there with Archer. And there's Rachel there with Lily. And we are going off looking for an abandoned villa. So we're going to see if it's any good. Let's go. So looking up behind me there is the place that we're going to. It's still quite a trek, but we're gonna go and see if we can get into there. And as we can see, Ted has found water for a change. So this isn't actually water, it's a dirty, muddy, yeah. We don't have any history or any knowledge of what that building was all about, but to think that that is sitting there empty is sacrilege, and it blows your mind. But there we go, such is life, but that is Portugal. And what else have we been doing? We've been making puddings. Have a look at this. What we are making today is banoffee pie, because anybody can make banoffee pie in a van because you don't need an oven. All you need is one burner and a cool place afterwards. So what we do is this. First thing we do is we find a willing chef. This is Lily and she is our chef for today. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so Lily is breaking up digestive biscuits. So 1 packet of digestive biscuits, or half a packet probably, unless you're greedy like us, and break them into small pieces. You need the biscuits to be nice and crumbled. Next step, get some butter or margarine and completely cover the inside of a tub. This is where it gets messy, but it's good fun. Meanwhile, that's going on, melt some butter or margarine in a saucepan and then mix in the digestive mixture. This could be a disaster, couldn't it? Oh, that wasn't a bad attempt. And then we need to stir it all up to make a nice messy mixture. Stir it up. So in the mixture goes to the tub. And that makes our base. Okay? Yeah, good base. Next goes on boiled condensed milk. And this stuff you can buy ready boiled in a tin in Portugal. Otherwise, you need to boil a can of condensed milk for about 2 hours.
Can mix it.
Yep, 2 seconds, got some more here, more. Next up, chop some thin slices of banana.
Like that's favorite thing.
Yeah, Rachel's saying. Then you get cream. Now, because we're in Portugal, we don't know if this is thick cream, whipped cream, or any other kind of cream, so we're just taking a bit of a gamble, so hopefully it'll pay off. And now we're going to pop this delightful mess into the fridge for 2 or 3 hours, and hopefully the cream will set and we will have banoffee pie. Isn't that right, Lil? Good work. There's somebody there who is not having the pie, and that's Ted. I hope you enjoyed this week's video, and if you have any ideas of things that you would specifically like us to go and film, please do mention them in the comments and we'll do our best. Also, thank you so much to our Patreons and to people who bought off the Amazon wish list this week. Very kind indeed, thank you. If you have a quirky home or van or anything really interesting that you would like us to feature in one of our videos, then please do get in touch. Our email address is here somewhere, or just drop us a message in the comments and we'll get in touch. Until next time, thank you for watching. See you soon. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more information on how you can help support us and keep our videos coming, then please do check out our Patreon page. There's also a lot more information and our blog on beyondthevan.com. See you soon.